If you want to unlink your Agoda account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Agoda. Open the Agoda website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your name or an icon. Step 3. Find linked accounts. Look for a section labeled linked accounts, social media, or something similar. This is where you can manage connections to other platforms. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option for Facebook and select it. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Agoda. Click on this option. Step 5. Confirm the action. You may be prompted to confirm your choice to unlink the accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Agoda account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Agoda's customer support.